So finally, this is the face behind BMW Ignite. मैं हूँ प्रतीश and I create cinematic automotive experiences. Today, BMW 235 xDrive Gran Coupe. Let's get into it.
This isn't just a rear profile. This is BMW Ignite, where precision meets presence. Quad exhaust, low and aggressive performance here isn't told. It's felt. And then Miami blue hits. Suddenly, this isn't subtle anymore. Sculpted lines and aerodynamic flow, motion, even in stillness. A coupe-style stance, stretched and purposeful, redefining the idea of a sedan. As the city lights take over, BMW Ignite leaves one impression identity, not just design. Miami blue in full presence, low, wide, and impossible to ignore. A coupe-style sedan, powered by a turbocharged petrol setup, built for precision and motion. Quad exhaust, sharp spoiler. Suddenly, this isn't subtle anymore. It's performance-focused, adaptive suspension, and wheels gripping low, every line engineered for control and balance. Launched globally in its 2020 for facelift phase, positioned around €55,000, premium without compromise. And as the silhouette fades, BMW Ignite leaves one statement: performance is now identity. Miami blue surface, sharp reflections. BMW Ignite continues with precision. Slim LED taillights glow, clean, modern, unmistakably performance-driven. Quad exhaust below, spoiler above. Suddenly, aggression takes over. Metallic blue flows across sculpted lines, motion, even while standing still. M235 xDrive Gran Coupe, a coupe-style sedan, built for balance, control, and precision. And as it fades into silence, one thing remains. This isn't just a car, it's identity. The stance hits first. M alloy wheels sitting low, built for pure performance presence. Every rotation detail reflects precision engineering in motion. Miami blue surface flows under light. Side mirror cuts through air with a sharp aerodynamic edge. Built for control at speed, a closer identity reveals itself. The M badge, a silent signal of motorsport DNA, carved into every detail of this machine. The iconic BMW roundel sits centered, framed by aggressive body lines defining precision, balance, and intent. The coupe silhouette stretches back, a smooth glass line flowing into the rear designed for aerodynamic elegance. Not just looks, C-pillar detail closes the form, sharp, minimal, and confident ending with a design language that speaks without noise. Sunlight hits the Miami blue finish, and every reflection feels engineered for motion. Low stance, sharp alloy precision, pure BMW aggression and silence. Glass lines mirror the city. As the coupe profile stretches with clean aerodynamic flow, the M badge sits like a signal of performance heritage, while every surface, from mirror to shoulder line, carries controlled tension. A machine shaped by precision, finished in motion-ready elegance. BMW M235, where design doesn't sit still. A machine that doesn't just move, it owns the streets. Miami blue finish cutting through sunlight like liquid metal. Every reflection whispers performance. Low-profile stance sweeps across the city frame. Glass buildings mirror its coupe silhouette in motion. A grounded front presence rises from the stairs angle. Sharp, aggressive, unmistakably BMW M identity. LED precision cuts through corners of light. Each detail engineered, not designed. Wheel stance locked low. Performance ready even at standstill. Headlights slice the frame with Razor DRL signature. Metallic blue paint reacts to skyline reflections in motion. Every line flows from bonnet to rear like airflow in motion. M performance attitude embedded in every curve. Urban architecture fades behind its silhouette. The Gran Coupe stance stays planted, calm but dominant. A final wide frame. Not just a car, but a statement of precision, power, and presence. BMW M235 xDrive Gran Coupe. Engine starts and the cockpit instantly illuminates. The curved display coming to life with a smooth transition. The driver-centric layout feels perfectly aligned, with every control naturally within reach. Multicolor ambient lighting flows through the cabin, instantly creating a premium atmosphere. M Sport seats provide a tight grip while balancing comfort, blending performance and luxury seamlessly. The xDrive system feels smooth and responsive, with a clean and modern digital interface. This interior isn't just about design. It's a focused driving environment that delivers a true sense of control. Neon reflections glide across the body as the car moves through wet city streets. Pure motion and light fusion. Interior opens with M Sport seats and illuminated logos. Steering wheel centered with sharp driver focus. BMW curved display wakes up, switching smoothly between performance data and navigation, clean and responsive. Multicolor ambient lighting flows across the cabin, creating a calm yet performance-driven atmosphere. City light streaks reflect inside the cabin, blending motion outside with precision control inside the cockpit. The cabin settles into a focused driving environment, where performance and luxury exist in perfect balance. The cabin rests under controlled studio lighting, revealing a clean driver-focused interior layout. The center console comes into focus as the gear selector and drive mode controls reflect soft metallic highlights. The brushed aluminum surfaces and gloss black finish emphasize precision and premium craftsmanship. A close detail reveals the Harman Kardon speaker grille, its fine mesh texture catching subtle reflections. The illuminated M door sill glows softly, reinforcing the performance identity within the cabin environment. The M Sport seats hold a sculpted form. A slow interior sweep shows the balanced cockpit layout. The M puddle light hits concrete. Miami blue side profile reveals M identity. Gloss black mirror and trim sit sharp. The door opens, light stretches outward. The M projection locks crisp on ground. The full entry stance holds clean presence. The M puddle light reflects as the car begins moving across the surface. Side profile moves forward, showing strong lines in motion. Gloss black mirror catches light, highlighting sharp exterior detail. Body flow follows the road rhythm with controlled reflections. Powered by a 550 horsepower performance engine tuned for dynamics. Projected M logo fades as motion takes over the scene. Wide view follows the car through a cinematic entry path. Final shot tracks the vehicle smoothly in a clean premium finish. The car pushes forward along the coastal road with strong controlled speed. Side profile cuts through the mountain curve, holding a tight driving line. Rear angle catches light as the body moves through shifting sunbeams. The car accelerates past the forest edge with clear road response. 301 horsepower with xDrive grip delivers strong controlled acceleration. The M identity holds as the car exits each turn with confidence. Wide view frames the vehicle moving clean through the mountain stretch. Final tracking shot follows the car toward the distant open horizon. The car surges forward from a low angle with strong road presence. Front view stays centered as it moves clean through the forest path. High angle shows the car climbing toward the open ridgeline. Rear view follows as it holds speed across the peak horizon. For 150 Nm torque with sport steering delivers sharp corner control. The car exits tight turns with clear grip and stable movement. Side profile tracks clean along the rocky cliffside stretch. Final wide shot follows the car disappearing beyond the ridgeline. Mirror reflection tracks the car as it moves fast along the road. Side badge stays visible as the profile holds steady motion. Rear badge appears clear as the car continues forward in motion. Tail lights glow sharp as the car moves through fading light. 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds with dual clutch response. Rear angle follows the car descending along the mountain ridge. Wide sunset shot captures the car moving across the open road. Final tracking shot shows the car fading into the distant horizon. Top view tracks the car descending with clean lane control. The car follows curved roads with stable movement through terrain. Side profile moves strong along the rocky mountain ridge. The car maintains speed along the coastal cliff with steady control. Adaptive M suspension with sport brakes keeps control at high speed. The car moves clean through forest paths with balanced response. Wide rear view shows the car reaching the summit horizon line. Final top shot follows the car driving toward the open horizon. Top view tracks the car holding a clean line along the ridge. The car follows the curve with precise control through the mountain bend. Blue body moves strong across the rocky descent path. High angle shows the car pushing forward across open terrain. Front differential control keeps the car stable through narrow ridge sections. The car holds balance while moving across the mountain spine. Wide view captures the car turning through the deep valley stretch. Final front shot shows the car pushing hard toward the summit peak.
The road ends, but the driver never stops. BMW M235 xDrive Gran Coupé drive the edge. In my opinion, this is built for drivers who want real controls. Would you drive it daily or push it to the limit? Comment below and subscribe for more cinematic drives.